Hello there. This is Cindy at cindybdesigns.com. Thank you for joining me today. Thought I'd share my exquisite Christmas decorating with you. And yeah, I did this. And this is what this video is about today, is a little puppy doggy stocking stuffer. So yeah, it's kind of cheesy, but when you're a die-hard dog mom like myself and my friends are, you do this. We are working off the night before Christmas suite. There's an awful lot in there. We have the memory and more cards, DSP, and I thought I was going to not do a voiceover, but yeah, here I am back again. Those are the puppy treats. I got them at PetSmart, and we have several different sizes of those gusseted cellophane bags that you can put puppy treats into, and this should cover, good 4 or 5 dogs. And I'm just going to, and you're going to watch me struggle. I'm just stuffing it full of little treats. They are 100% organic, vanilla flavored. I did have a hard time not wanting to eat one when I was doing that because, they are really strong and they smell great. But it's just something really fun to do for your girlfriend's dogs, because we're at that age. And so I stuffed my bag. I'll have all the measurements and everything over at cindybdesigns.com, a link to the blog post underneath this. I'm pulling off some stickers from the Memories and More card pack, and I'm arranging that on the back of that tag. There's no stamping on this project. It's just all stickers. And I will have one for you Saturday too, where we're going to be using the same suite to do a really cool project. I haven't done a card for well over a month, so maybe at the beginning of the year. Linen thread, I'm pulling that through to make it look all nice and even and pretty. And I'm just going to simply adhere it to that tag. If I had to do that all over again, I would go ahead and maybe line the back of, I would probably adhere that DSP to cardstock. That is the embossing buddy. I am taking that because there's talc powder in there, or cornstarch or something like it, but not powder. That'll take the sticky off the stickers that is hung over. We've talked about the Swiffer cloth before and how I use that a lot. And this is where I really struggle, is with this ribbon. It's embarrassing, but that ribbon is the old olive and pretty peacock combination, and that is from the Noble Peacock suite, which I don't have, but I wanted to get the ribbon. So I was tying the ribbon up around there and didn't have enough little treats in the bag. So I'm going to fudge with it and mess with it even more. But I know I'm going to go light, back to Tuesdays and Thursdays for a couple weeks, at least till January 6th. And now I'm just snaking up one into the linen. This should not be hard for me to describe, but yeah, I'm stumbling because I'm thinking about something else. But you're going to see me struggle here. So anyways, back to being light on work. Yeah, I finally bring in my third hand. I'm going to, chill for a few weeks and then dive back in after the beginning of the year. But I'll be posting and, in here and dropping in every now and then. Video this Saturday in between Christmas and New Year's, not sure. I'm kind of winging that. So now I'm finally throwing the tag together, but this is just the cutest little gift to make. That box of treats was $12.99, so you can, it's like $2 for a little present on top of, your materials cost. So now I'm just tying that into a knot, not a bow. I should have probably put another knot towards the top of the strings there, just to neaten it up a little bit. But I did trim them, and I'm looking at the little thingy right now, so yeah, I could probably do that. This one's going to go to Pablo, which is Jezebel's cousin, my cousin Tanya's dog, who talked me into getting that little puppy's first Christmas outfit, which she, Houdini'd her way out of halfway through it. But we're pretty much getting to the home stretch here now, and that is how simple it is to make that. There's just really no work to this. This is a time of year where you take a look at the products that we have that are not carrying over to next year, the annual catalog, anything, start using them up. And that is what I'm doing here. I brought the ribbon in because it matched, but other than that, I'm really trying to go through the holiday catalog, designer series paper, and get that done. Saturday, we'll be making gifts for our friends consisting of this, which they will love. So I hope that you enjoyed this, cheesy little project, even though it's really cute. And I hope that you have a fantastic day. I will see you on Saturday. God bless. Thank you for stopping by.